स्टूडेंट टाइप स्मार्ट काम करो, सब्सक्राइब के साथ साथ बेल आइकन भी दबाओ।
Hello guys, welcome to Manoeuvre. So today's video is all about the score versus colleges with respect to the CMAT exam. And CMAT is nothing but your common management admission test which is conducted by the NTA authority, that means the National Testing Agency. So friends, what are the benefits CMAT has as compared to other exams? If we consider XAT, ATMA, GMAT, CAT, IIFT, then CMAT is quite easy compared to these all. And why it is easy, I already made a video on it, so you can see that video. So you will get some of the parameters why CMAT is easy. Because friends, if we consider all these exams, then CMAT is always a backup for you. For example, if you are preparing for MBA CET and you score the less mark there, then you can put CMAT as a backup because CMAT is the exam which is accepted by all the MBA colleges in India. So if you are scoring less mark in MBA CET, CAT, XAT, MAT, ATMA or GMAT, you should keep CMAT as a backup. So that means you can trigger your performance and you can enter into your dream college such as the Jamnalal Bajaj, Sidnam, KJ Somaya, Jim Goa, SIES and even in Great Lakes. So friends, stay tuned with me throughout this video. Here we'll discuss about the colleges who accept the CMAT score and what should be the cutoff for that. So let's move further. So very first one, the students are often confused in the score, percentile and cutoffs. So that is nothing but whatever the marks you scored, depend on that you will get the percentiles, and that means the cutoff of that particular college. So for example, if you want to convert score into the percentile, what will you do? You have to check how many the number of candidates appeared for the CMAT exam for that particular year and what is the position of yours in the rank list. So CMAT considered all the percentile section wise. That means in quantitative technique and data interpretation, what are the score you got in logical reasoning, even in the language comprehension and in the general awareness. So first one, what the authority will do, they will make a separate list of all these sections. Then according to your position in the rank list, they will make a particular percentile for you. For example, if your position is 30th in the rank list and the number of candidates appeared for the exam, just assume 20,000. Okay, then what will be your percentile? So you have to minus your position from the candidate appeared. For example, 20,000 minus 30 divided by 20,000 into 100. So that will come 99.85. So thus you have to score the percentile for each particular section. So don't worry about the score and percentile or cutoff. Just target 300 plus the SAPE score to enter into any top colleges. So if you are looking for the preparation and want an online program, then you can call on 8828581455. So here is the list, all the tentative scores and the percentile with respect to each particular college. So the very first one, it is the JBIMS, that is Jamnalal Bajaj Institute of Management Studies, one of the top business school in India. So what should be your percentile? It should be 99.99. That means you have to score 330 plus marks there. For Sidnam Institute, you have to score 310 and percentile is 99.96. The next one, the KJ Somaya, 300 plus marks. The Wellington Institute of Management, Development and Research, 295 plus marks. And the college who make a great mark into the business world, that is nothing but the Goa Institute of Management, which is also known as Jim Goa. So to enter into this college, you have to score 285 plus marks and the percentile is 98.5. NL Dalmia Institute of Management Studies and Research, 277 plus marks. Great Lakes Chennai, 270 plus marks. SIES College of Management Studies, 260 plus marks. Pumba, 250 plus marks. And IFMR in Chennai, 245 marks. So these all are the respective percentiles. Now if you scored less than 90 percentile, then you can enter into these colleges such as Xavier Business School, Kolkata, 220 plus marks. Birla Institute of Management and Technology, 220 plus mark where the percentile is 80. Xavier Institute of Management and Entrepreneurship, 220 plus. Chetna Institute of Management and Research, that is CIMR in Mumbai, 220 plus marks. Jaipuria Institute of Management Lucknow, 200 plus marks. IES Management College and Research Center Mumbai, 200 plus marks. NIA Pune, 200 plus marks. And the Indira Institute of Management in Pune, you have to score 185 plus marks. So these all are the respective percentile. So guys, plan your preparation according to these percentile, and I will suggest that you must keep a target of 300 plus marks. And you can also easily get it because friends, I already told you the CMAT is quite easy with respect to the weightage for each particular section, and even we consider the time duration. So that means you will have the zero time pressure on you. So you can easily attempt each and every questions. So guys, if you are preparing for any of the MBA entrance exam, then you should keep the CMAT as in a backup. So friend, this is all from the today's video. If you have any doubts and query, you can ask me in the below comment section. And if you really want to crack the CMAT, then you can join our online program. So call on 8828581455 or you can visit at manoeuvreedu.com/MBA entrance. If you are Mumbai based, then you can join our classroom sessions at Borivali, Dadar and Vasai. And there is one more center coming up in Pune. So thank you very much guys. All the best for your career. See you in the next video.